Mining vehicles require operator display units to control various functionalities of the vehicle. This display unit allows the operator of the mining vehicle to see and control various auxiliary functions, including weight, load, and tilt. This customer didn't have any detailed work instructions available, so they supplied us with a first article unit of their product, which we then reverse engineered and built our own digital work instructions. The parts required for this assembly include various gauges of wires, custom markers, rail, terminal blocks, a custom metal fabricated enclosure, as well as a custom faceplate with indicators. The assembly process for this product includes cutting and stripping the wires, preparing the custom markers, inserting the wires into the terminal block, relaying those wires and routing them inside the control unit up to the PLC and to the other auxiliary components. The end product is a custom display unit, which then gets integrated into the mining vehicle to be used for analytics as well as control functions. Promark was the best partner for this customer because we were able to deliver a full turnkey control panel using a first article to reverse engineer the work instructions and deliver them a perfect product the first time.